just insane. Look at them. Wow, this might be the best spot for the view. There's not one piece of trash. Even the trash can looks clean. So this is what it looks like lit up, this Bayi Square. Crazy how much brighter the city gets when it hits 8 p.m. Look at this view across the bridge. So you can also go down there across the bridge, but I think I want to go on that side. It's insane though, look at it. Freaking so crowded here though. And I think they actually closed off a little lane so people can walk through, which is nice. The view behind me, view up ahead. And the main thing I wanted to see was these orange style buildings. You'll see it, I'll show you. Super popular here in Chongqing. Very touristy, but I feel like it's something you have to see. Yeah, look at the amount of people right here. I don't even know if I'm gonna get a good view. I just want like a quick video and a picture. That looks insane. See how many people are down there. So many more people down there. Look at this. Honestly, the middle of the bridge right here is a way better view than where everyone is over there. Because look at this. You get a way more clear view right here. I think I'm gonna walk all the way across the bridge down there because I think there's a good view from right over here. I think I saw it on TikTok. I'm not too sure, but let's go check it out. They even got some, I'm not gonna say street food, but bridge food. Honestly, a pretty smart spot to set up shop since there's a lot of people that walk over here. Even this bridge, look at this. But my goal right now is to get down there. Look at that view back there. I actually have not seen that side of the city from like over here. So it looks absolutely insane. Watch how this bridge just lights up. Wow, this might be the best spot for the view. This guy got a jet ski in the middle of the river. That looks mad fun. I wish I could do that. Yeah, it's got to be these guys' personal jet skis or something because I only see 3 out there, and if it was easy to do, there'd probably be more out there, I'd say. There's so many bridges here in Chongqing. Like, I'm gonna put up how many there are here, but I think this is like the most famous one here. But these ones are beautiful as well. There's like this red one over there. It looks very similar to this one. Even these buildings on this side, this is like a bank, I believe. But if you want to come here though, the lights, they turn on I think around either 7 or 8 p.m. and they only stay on until I believe 11 p.m. So about like 3 or 4 hours. You got to time yourself correctly. If you want to see the bridge turn on, this Hongyadong, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I don't know if you can see, but my hotel is right this building right here. I think it's one of the tallest buildings in the city. And then over here it's a little bit more chill than this side. This is like the main downtown area. These bank buildings are crazy too. The amount of times I've said crazy is a crazy amount of times. That's like one of the only words I can use to describe places that are just like this. Like, just insane. Look at them. What? Yeah, this is it. Look how spacious this walk area is as well. All the way down, 360 views. Surprised this area is not more busy. It's only 9:45, but they did turn off these buildings right here. Bank buildings, only 9:45. That's kind of, I don't know. The other day it turned off at like 11, I think, or 10. I'm not too sure. Never mind. They actually turned it back on after like 2 minutes. I'm pretty satisfied though with all the views I got, the photos, videos, everything. Perfect souvenir. So I think I'm gonna start heading back to the hotel now. I'm actually about to take the train that goes under the bridge right now, right there. Let's see if I can get a good view. Alright, well, you can really see anything because of the reflection, but whatever, you get the idea. Now I'm at this pretty popular spot, Bayi Food Street. There's a bunch of places lined up. Got myself a little beef stick right here. Let's see. 18 RMB for this. Let's try it. That's pretty good. 10-minute wait for it to be cooked, and it's gone in less than a minute. What's this one?
Okay, 20.
20?
Okay.
Okay, okay.
A little spicy.
Spicy.
Okay.
I got myself some pork belly or something. 20 RMB. Not bad, better deal than the other one. Let's try it. It is mad cold. It's all good though. That's it. Alright, I got some Tonghulu. 15 RMB, I believe. You know when you're in China, you gotta get this. This is where it's originated. Not Japan, not Korea, in China, alright? Let's try it. This one looks kinda ass though, I'm not gonna lie. Not enough sugar, not enough crunch. He gave me the one that was just like sitting out. A fresh one would have been good though. Ooh. Purple ball. This thing. I don't know what that is, but fuck. Pretty good though. So this is what it looks like lit up, this Bayi Square. Absolutely beautiful neon lights. And this is a good photo spot if you want some neon lights. Let's take a stroll through here and see what there is. More food, drinks. A mishui right there. Mishui is super popular in China. This one. Luckin Coffee, also very popular in China. Oh, I should have got some Tonghulu here, bro. That one looks a lot better. Honestly, a great picture spot. I had to get myself some mishui. I got this one right here. I think it's just a regular pearl tea, milk tea. But this place is fire. Their ice cream though, I had mishui in Vietnam. Their ice cream is so freaking good. Like very creamy tasting, so yummy. Yeah, that's good. Not too sweet. The boba is nice and chewy, and it's refreshing. Yum. Check out this view. Made it to the other side to where you can see the Raffles City building from front side, far away. Look at that. Yeah, this is definitely probably one of the coolest buildings I've seen in my whole entire life. Just looks so crazy in person. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but I'm gonna input my iPhone video because I feel like the iPhone video looks a lot better than this camera, especially at night. I literally took like a 2-hour walk. My hotel's like behind this one. Walked around here, across this bridge, and also like China is so clean as well. Like there's not one piece of trash. Even the trash can looks clean. From right here, you can see my hotel very clearly. This one right here. One of the tallest, maybe like the 4th tallest. Crazy how much brighter the city gets when it hits 8 p.m. because all these lights turn on. I'm pretty sure these ones just turned on. This one, that building, and then all these in the middle right here. This building is pretty cool as well. I'm not too sure what that is. Honestly, probably almost every building is cool. Oh, there's a drone up there. I don't know if you can see it right here. Well, I wish I could fly mine, but it's probably gonna get shot down here in China because I don't have a license. Be here with the view. I mean, the tree's kind of blocking it, but it is what it is. But But that's probably gonna wrap it up for this Chongqing vlog. Coming to China is always a movie. I've only been to a few cities, but I always love it here. It's crazy, the buildings are insane. If you enjoyed this video, comment where you want to see me go in China next, which city, because I will be coming back. And drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.